Hello, John Talley here with Boats.net. So you've hit that annual service or that magic 100-hour on your meter. So now it's time to do a maintenance routine on your particular outboard. The good part is Suzuki's put together kits for, well, everything in their lineup. So all you need to do is figure out what your displacement is, your year, and then they've got a kit ready to go. Now, what all is inside of this kit? Well, don't be afraid of it because they're each going to be similar but geared toward your particular engine. So let's open up a couple of boxes, take a peek inside, and then I'm going to give you advice as to the other products you're going to need to pull this off. Now their kits range all the way from the 2.5 horsepower to the 350. Now we're going to open up a 9.9 and the 350. Let's start with the 9.9. Now each kit is going to have these items, sometimes a little bit more, maybe sometimes a little bit less, but this is a good base to give you an idea of what's in each box. You're going to have your fuel filter, your oil filter, spark plugs, any associated O-rings or crush washers that you're going to need as you go in, replace these fluids and items, and then build it back out, as well as your anodes and a water pump kit. Now, let's put this back in the box, then we'll take a look at the 350. Let's take a peek. As predicted, it comes with all your sealing crush washers, O-rings, fuel filter, oil filter, anodes, full set of spark plugs, and the rebuild kit for the impeller. One bit of advice on the anodes. When you go to replace those bolts, make sure you use a marine grade anti-seize. Not that stuff, that copper stuff in the top of your toolbox. It needs to be a marine grade. Otherwise, it'll corrode, and the last thing you want to do is go to replace these a year or two later and they won't come out. So you'll thank me later. Now these are all the hard parts you're going to need to do a service. Let's talk about some of the ancillary products you're going to need to finish this up. For engine oil, across the board, Suzuki recommends that you go with their semi-synthetic marine-specific oil. This can be used all the way from the 2.5 up to the 350. Next, gear oil for your lower unit. Once again, from Ecstar, 90 weight, but there's one other thing that you're going to need to accomplish it, and that is a fluid pump. Because the only way I know to successfully refill is once you drain it, you have to fill it back up from the bottom, and this is designed to do that. One more product I want to mention is a fuel stabilizer if you're doing your maintenance at the end of the season. That way you know that fuel's going to be ready to go next year. Well, all right, guys and girls, there you go. No matter what Suzuki outboard you have, they have a maintenance kit for it. Now, if you're having a little bit of trouble making sure which one's going to fit your application, give us a call or send us a chat, and we'll be glad to guide you in the correct direction. Well, thanks for watching, and we will see you out on the water. Y'all have a great day.